Okay, so welcome back. Now let's do some update for Elephant Money, and also if you want to win $50, all you need to do, there are two different things too. First thing first, okay, you need to tell me in the description. First, you need to go to my last video from yesterday, what's called More You Give, More You Receive, part 56. Like and leave a comment. That's first thing. And second thing, on this video in the description, you tell me when do you think the price of Elephant Money going to hit 50? Okay, so when do you think the price will hit here 50? So this need to be 5000 whatever, 56 whatever, I don't care. This number here need to be 5 and this number here need to be 0. So you have 24 hours when you watch this video to leave a comment with the date and put there AM or PM time. It will be UK time, and I'm going to check only on CoinGecko. Okay, so make sure. Okay, so that's all. Leave a comment to my last video yesterday, press like and leave a comment, and also leave me a comment to this video with your price prediction date when the price is going to hit 50. On my last update for Elephant Money, I did also price when date prediction when the price is going to be all-time high, but never happened so far. So we still have few people who enter for December and end of November, but you never know, maybe some of them going to win. Okay, so this is Crypto Pill, and again, thank you so much for watching, subscribing, liking. Just disclaimer, everything what I'm saying here in this video is only my personal opinion, which means I'm not giving you any financial advice. Again, please go and watch my video from yesterday. It's mean the world to me. It's called More You Give, More You Receive, part 56. It's a must-see video. Okay, so let's go back to Elephant Money. Just quick update. So what's happening? So last time when I did the video was around, I don't know, maybe a month ago and a half when I was in India, and it was right about here, just before this crash. So hit almost all-time high, 0.56, then crashed down to 0.34. It was a lot of sales, and now we're going climbing up back and nicely. Okay, 4.6. Oh, don't forget, this is more connected with BNB, and also sometimes it depends what the BNB going to do, you know, and also can reflect to the Elephant Money token. Now let's go and check what's happening with the BNB liquidity. So if you go to the BSC scan, if you put WBNB, and if you go to holders, you'll see that Elephant Money is number 2. Yeah, very soon is going to hit number 1. What's going to make a lot of noise in the crypto world with 99, almost 99,000 BNB into the liquidity. And probably this is if I'm not mistaken, one hot wallet from the probably Binance Exchange, and I think this will hit, we're going to be number 1 in by Christmas time. Hopefully, I hope so. Okay, also if you go, let's see for the BUSD. Again, BUSD is getting delisted from everywhere at the moment, slowly, you know, and what you know, it is what it is. That's what's happening. So okay, so let's see BUSD. Nope, nothing. Oh, there we go. Binance Pack. Let's see BNB Binance stablecoin holders. Let's see where we are. We're 8-9 place maybe. There we go. Number 5, Elephant Money with 20 million BUSD. Okay, that's crazy. Okay, so what's Elephant Money? Elephant Money is a token. Okay, and you can go and buy, but it's full elephant. Okay, but it's a full ecosystem. Okay, it's a full ecosystem of over 50 contracts working together. Again, I did a couple of AMAs few months ago, but the principle how they're working, they're all the same. Probably very soon I'm going to do one more AMA. I'm going to invite our favorite, one of the favorite speaker for the Elephant Money, SK Crypto, and we can crack on and do some big AMA. Now you can see right here that the price, let me just go for the last 90 days. Okay, we have a nice correction right there, and that's okay. People taking profit, that's normal. Again, you know, don't forget to take profits from not just this crypto, for every single crypto. You can see that the price going nice from 0.35. Okay, we're going nice up. Okay, 0.34. Yeah, now we're going to 0.46. Okay, so in the last 30 days we have 9% overall, and for 1 year we have 330%. I think 98% from the top 100 is outperforming Elephant Money in the last 1 year. Now, what's happening in the market. You can see we have a bull market for the last few weeks, you know, happy days. I feel sorry as always, like everybody, oh, I didn't buy this, I didn't buy that. That's what's called DCA. I took my position right in elephant money long time ago, and I'm happy bunny so far. Did I sell any? No, I did not. I'm planning to sell some, maybe in the long future. So that's my plan. Now, elephant money, just the website right here, you can see futures, elephant, and unlimited. So futures, if you go to futures, what's happening is you're earning 0.5% per day. Elephant is the token, and unlimited are the NFT. They're all working together. Okay, so don't go into deep like what's happening, how this happening, but if you go to their Telegram group, okay, make sure because it was Trust Wallet some issues, make sure you have a backup website right here for the elephant money who is working with MetaMask, Rabi, and also with Wallet Connect. Okay, so make sure you use that. Okay, if we go to, let me just go elephant money futures. Okay, what I want to mention is somebody on 2 weeks ago, on the October 23rd, just check this out, invest $1 million. Not somebody, there are a few wallets. As I checked, there are 150, 60,000, like 6-7 wallets. So we have daily deposit of $1 million. That is crazy. That is crazy. Okay, every single day, even we're here when we have more red, we have 83,000 withdrawals, 91 deposit, but we only have 2 big red days. But overall, it's always more green than red. This is crazy. This is crazy. This is the future, so this is different contract than elephant. Okay, elephant is the token. Here you're making 0.5% a day on your BUSD. I'm not sure what is the plan for the future to be USDC or what's they planning, but you know, we're gonna find out together. Let me just put more lights to my face. Okay, so that's about it. I just want to give you some update. Again, congratulations for the elephant money team. They have an absolutely amazing community. Community is the beast. Go there, go and check, and you will see they have all the updates. There's so many amazing people. Wherever you say, wherever you ask, you're going to be answered for them. Great community, because all of them are educated. What they have, the thing, what they say, each one teach one. Okay, AOTO. There we go. Each one teach one. Okay. Now, please don't forget, leave me a comment with date prediction. When do you think the price will be 5-0 on the chart? Where did I lost? Did I lost again? Yeah, I lost again. Let me just be. So when the price will hit 5-0, okay, 5 and 0. I don't care for this one. Give me the date, and you can win $50. Thank you so much. Till the next one, I do I, and you do you. Goodbye.